So, all 30 lectures of this advanced course on special theory of relativity are over, and it was a beautiful experience for me, for tutors, for students. Let me start with some data. We had 21,367 registrations in this course, and over the period people left out, and finally we had some 2,400 plus students who are still active, who are looking at the lectures, viewing the lectures. So, it is almost 10% or little more than 10% who have survived this course. It was an advanced course, and it was well expected. In all such online courses, the final survivors are in single digit, if you see on the average in percentage. So, that way it is a good number, 2,420 students still active and still viewing. The beautiful part is that 30 lectures means nearly 15 hours of total content, and then on the forum the total number of posts at this moment is 2839. So, 2839 posts were created. Not all of them are related to the course and academics, many of them are related to something else, black holes and Big Bang and all those things, and thank you and bye. So, but not many. So, I can very safely assume that 2,500 posts will be related to the course. And then the comments which are posted, they are 7,703 at this moment, still going on. Quiz 5 is still to come, and lot of posts and lot of comments will be there. So, if I add these two, that number will be more than 10,000 or so. So, in 15 hours of content, if some 10,000 posts are created and replies are given, and for creating a post you have to think, you have to formulate, then you have to write, and then when the comments come, then you read those comments. So, the person who is posting the question will spend something like at least half an hour on one post on the average, taking all these things into account. Similarly, the people who are making the comments, they will also first understand the question, then formulate the answer, then they will key in there, and then comments on comments will be there. So, they will be looking at those things. So, average say half an hour, 20 minutes per post if I see, that means it is almost 300 hours of discussion. So, that is the real success of the course, 15 hours of total content and 3,000 hours of discussion. Viewing and understanding and self study, making notes is separate. Then actually discussing question answer sessions, that 3,000 hours, that means on 1 hour of content some 200 hours of this discussion. That is the real strength of the course. And since most of the answers are given by students and the participants themselves, I cannot handle all those 10,000 posts and comments. So, most of the comments, most of the posts, they are among the students. So, it is a kind of peer learning. So, it is a established fact that when a teacher teaches and then you learn from the teacher, and if you discuss among yourself and then learn from that discussion, the later mode is very much more effective. So, this peer learning, this platform has given a real opportunity for this peer learning, and that has gone very successfully. So, I am very happy on that. Then quizzes were a really challenging task, right, to formulate the quiz, because the quiz are open for 72 hours, sometimes 96 hours, and so to formulate questions so that you keep thinking on that for all that period was a really challenging job for me and our team. But nevertheless, the idea of quiz, when I formulated the questions, there were two targets. One was evaluation, of course, and the quizzes, like all examinations, tests are made for evaluation, but much more important thing in my mind was that this should be used as a learning tool. Through the quiz I can make you learn, make you churn on the concept, so that anything, any lacuna comes out well, and then through discussions and through question answers and then evaluations, those misconceptions are removed. And very happy to see comments where people have not scored well, but their comments are extremely good, thanking me for making such questions, so that their misconceptions were removed. So, that was another beautiful aspect of this course, the quizzes. Of course, there were some problems, because anything has to be described in language, and science, academics is one, physics is one, and language, the competency over language is a different thing, and competency from both sides. The person who is formulating the question should also have a good competency on the language, so that unambiguously he can frame or she can frame questions. Then the person who is reading, that person should also be competent in language, so that whatever is written is correctly understood. So, because of these things, there were some problems, and in the forum posts we had discussions on that this language can mean this and that, and so on and so forth. Nevertheless, the quizzes were a very important aspect of this course, and many of the concepts which were not deeply rooted in mind through the lectures got deeply rooted through the quizzes only. So, that was another very good aspect. Then the whole goal is to make you feel the excitement of physics, and I can make you feel excitement of physics because I am excited about physics. And once you are excited about physics, and when you take up teaching professions, then you will be competent enough to make your students feel that excitement. And if that excitement is propagated, that enjoyment in learning is propagated, then our future is secured. Otherwise, it is very difficult. If that enjoyment is not there, if that excitement is not there, and if the education, higher education means only answering some questions and cramming some answers, then our future is really not secured. So, those things were there, and many thanks to my tutors team, especially Ms. Smita Fangaria, who devoted a lot of time and with a lot of commitment she answered the questions, helped me in formulating the quiz questions, then editing, and at every moment she was always there. So, thanks to her. MOOCIT team led by Revati, Deepak, Sugatha, these people were very active during the whole course, and anytime any problem related to administration or management or uploading of lectures, quiz, this, that, anytime it was pointed out to me through forum, I immediately sent that to this team and they sorted it out. So, and indeed the group leader Dr. T.V. Prabhakar, who introduced me in this line, so I am really thankful for that. Many people are asking what will be the next course. So, I am planning to give the next course on electrodynamics, but that will be in Hindi, all right. So, it is just a plan at the moment, and if I finally give this course on electrodynamics, it will be a series of courses, because electrodynamics is really vast. Even the basics are, so many topics are there that it may take 2 courses or maybe 3 courses. So, maybe electrodynamics 1, that will be my next course, and I am targeting for 15th August. This ACSTR was launched 26th of January, and the next course I am targeting 15th of August. If everything goes fine, we will see you there. And all these 2,400 students who are still active, you are my teammate in campaigning for this course, for this platform, for this website, IIT Kanpur Center for Continuing Education. So, you will be campaigning for our next course, and our target should be 100,000 registrations. Thank you very much.